Everyone, this is late journal work. I want to show you guys something. This is called Lacrosse technology. Basically, this is alarm clock, so it has, alarm clock there. But it has time, which is normal, and date. It has temperature, see 78. Look, and moisture 39%. And the most important, it has two USB charger. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I think so. Because our guests want to have alarm clock in their rooms, so I'm getting this one. You know what? I think they'll like it. This is just super cute.